Hello friends, in this video we will do the unboxing of Acer Nitro QG271 LCD monitor with LED backlit technology. It's a 27-inch full HD display and it's a gaming monitor. So let's open it up. I did purchase it from Amazon.in. So the packaging seems to be nice. So on Amazon.in its price is 11,000 rupees. I will also add a link of this product in the description of the video so that you can purchase it from there. So it comes in a very big box. 27-inch is quite a good size for monitors. And you can see the monitor itself. I am surprised that they did not add any cushioning after the main box. Now let's take out the main box. So this is the main box. So it comes under QG series and you can see full HD LED mercury free, and there are some features. Its display rate is 75 Hz, then visual response boost. So it has AMD Radeon FreeSync. So if your computer has some AMD graphics card, then it should perform better. Then there is a blue shield and it's flicker free, so you will not see too much of flicker on this monitor. Now, and you can see here it's a gaming monitor. So now let's open it. So it comes in a nice box. You can lift it like this. Now let's take out our main monitor. So this is the stand, and right after looking at this stand you can see it's built for gaming. Then we have this is another that will be mounted on top of this support to support this monitor. Let's keep it aside. Next we have some user manuals and warranty card. So let's keep it aside and take out the monitor. We also have one HDMI cable included in it, so that's nice. So this is our monitor. Let's see if there is anything else in the box. Yes, we have this power cable, of course, and I think this is a VGA cable. Let's keep it aside and take out our monitor. So you can see the Acer branding here. So this is our monitor. It's 27-inch. On the bottom we have some speaker, I guess speaker outing. So there is some inbuilt speaker. Let's see on the back side. On the back side we have this fancy logo. Then we have this power cord, connection for power cord, and then we have two HDMI ports and one VGA port, and then the place to mount your stand. So let's quickly connect this stand and turn it on. We also have a few controls on the back side. So this goes on top of it. So our stand is ready. Now let's put the monitor on top of it. Okay, so I have connected this monitor to my computer. And you can see now it looks like a gaming setup. We have the gaming keyboard and mouse. So I had also reviewed these two products. If you want to check the video, I will add the links to these videos also in the description. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.